Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to take a full page screenshot with Google Chrome, and we are not going to download any extension or download any software. We are going to do this with the Chrome DevTools. So the tutorial here. First of all, let's open a page that we want to take a screenshot of. So let's look for Google here. To screenshot the entire page, we have to get into Google's Chrome DevTools, and we can access that. Right click Inspect, then click Customize and Control DevTools, then click Run Command. That's going to pull up this command, and now we have to type in a screenshot, and we have a couple of different options for screenshot here. We want the full size screenshot option, so click on that. It's going to generate that screenshot for us, and you can see that here the image opens that up. As you can see, we got from the top of the page down quality PNG image that you can zoom in. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Have a great time.